Hi friends, today I'm showing you the T5 model of the QCY earbuds, the wireless earbuds, and it's a different model than the one I showed you before. And you can see all the specification on the back of this package. Let me open the box. So this is the case, the charging case and the earbuds, and with the accessories we have here is the micro USB charging cable, a manual, and the extra earbuds. So this is the charging case. We will discuss it later on. This is the manual, different languages. First one is the English, and you can see the content of the packages and all other detail. We will discuss this manual a little bit later. Hopefully you can see that there are the portion, and this is a touch sensor on this earbuds so that you can control multiple things. These are the different size earbuds. As I mentioned that these are the small, medium and large earbuds that you can replace and with the easy fit in your ears. This is the charging cable, the micro USB charging cable you can put in your box. So here is the port, you can put it here, the micro USB, and put it for the USB. So you can see the indicator, the green, so both are charged. So this case itself is fully charged. And the specification on the back, these are all the general specification with the charging. And let me open this box and you can see the earbuds. So this is the two-piece earbuds, and the both shows the red sign, means they are charging from the case. This have the good mic in itself, and this is the right earpiece and the R on it, and this is the soft earbuds that you can replace with the additional ones. So as I take it out, it is showing red and green indicating charge and searching for the Bluetooth connection. So if you see, both of this is still charging, but I can show you the demo. So I'm trying to now touch this screen to start it, and as it starts the red and green thing, and on my phone I'm trying to connect it, and you can see the QCY T5 on it in my mobile, and the searching is a QCY T5. Let me make it more clear here. You can see the QCY T5, and when I connect on it, it's auto paired within 3 seconds, and it's paired. So it's all connected. I will try to put in my ear and show like the comfortability. So it's pretty much comfortable, easily fit in my ears. And here is the charging case again, that I'm showing you that when you charge this, so in the manual with the touch sensor there are different things, like when you touch on the touch sensor once, so for 2 seconds the power on, power off, and then you can change in the music by play, like touch it on the tap it on it. So I tried some of them and it works really good. So all this I think is not that much clear from it, and this is the package insert. So it have like the earbuds and things. So overall this is the good set with the extra earbuds, charging cable, charging case, true stereo one. Sound is really good.